Meet me at 5 p.m. at JFK Airport.
Who is this? Anyway, I will still be there.
Okay. Be there early.
OMG, I can't wait, my first vacation in 20 million years. No one's here.
Why are you here? No one's allowed to be here.
I was supposed to go on a vacation with a dumb stranger. Let me call him. You were supposed to meet me at JFK Airport?
Oh, I had to stop by the supermarket. Come.
Where? Where is he?
Good news, I checked the ID and I found out that he lives on Poop Street.
Yes. I'm so happy.
This is the house. Let's go. Yo, what's up, dog? And who the heck are you? What up, my homeboy? And beep you.
That police dude is so mean. He got away with this. But he won't in the next episode of The Prank Calls.